And I just found out from one of the people from the Mini Club that May 8th, 1959, so this very day, was also the day the very first Mini was manufactured and came off the production line. So double birthday there. And I want to hand the mic over here to Derek, who's going to go over what we're going to do today and show you all about the car.
All right, everyone. So let's let me count down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right. Woo! All right, everybody. What do we think? How do we feel about the all-new 2025 Mini Countryman? All right. That's what I want to hear. Let's get it going. Wednesday? Is it Wednesday? Okay, there we go. Let's get it, guys. All right. So I like to start off talking about the new design right here. As you can see for our folks, we can see the daytime running lights here. We can see the tail lights in the back. And if you want to hit one of the tail lights, you can see over here as well. Power tailgate is going to be standard on the vehicle. You can also use the gesture. So if you kick right there in the middle, it's going to open up the tailgate, and then you can also close it by using your foot as well. All right. Keep going back and forth and take it 10 minutes to finish the video.
Is that not working?
You have to have the key.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Stephanie.
The key's in it.
Key's in it. I have us on camera now. So, we got to play with some stuff with this car, right?
Yeah.
So, what should we play with? Oh, let me show you this. Let me see if I can find it. There it is.
Oh, cool.
So, this is what I show. So, we have panorama. We got 3D.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Car wash.
What you think it is?
Oh, I see. So you can line it up with the thing.
We got assistance. Parking mode. See if he'll do it. I did it. Yahoo. So this is the only mode that has the speedometer and tack. Vivid is kind of interesting. I don't know what exactly Vivid does. They changed the music apparently. So play with Spike.
Spike, give me my boy.
Oh,
That's cool.
should I could do that?
I do now.
We need to find Spike. Where's Spike? Oh, where's Spike go? Hope someone opened the door.
Our kids
We lost
are
Spike.
escaping.
We lost Spike.
The children are escaping.
Let's see if we'll do it. It's supposed to do it.
What?
The DJ mode.
Oh, where you can like do this.
Yeah.
You guys kind of get the record shot going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So you got to do 4 fingers on the screen. I start from the right. All 4 have to be touching, and you swipe right to left.
So, get that out of the way.
Passengers aren't allowed to play with it.
I don't think I did it right. You try. Oh, there it is.
Now you do 2 fingers on the edge.
Oh!
music up, or the sound up a little bit. Depending on what it's doing, sometimes you'll hear the record scratching.